big guy. All right, man. You Kai. Hey, I'm headed to June. No, that's Australian. I'm headed to June, for Isle of Man. Yeah, are you gonna be there?
I moved back to the Philippines. Yeah, I actually subscribed to your channel.
Oh, awesome! Yeah, man. I won't snap you out of existence. Okay, so kayo makatingin kayo ha. May hawak siyang baseball bat. Ingat kayo. Okay, so here's another mic if you wanna.
It's very easy actually. You just need this. This one, you put it on your bike. So on the frame, the best place is under the seat. So you remove the seat, you put this lanyard, and then every time you go in your bike, just like it. All right. So now you are attached to your bike.
Okay, so kunyari nahulog na siya. Wow. Did you feel anything, sir?
Nothing whatsoever.
Do you feel the urge to go to the beach now?
Yeah.
Check this out.
So I'm feeling
On the market for a new helmet. This is kind of like a Transformers style kind of helmet. Does that look alright? Does that look normal?
Big J sausages. Come online here, Big J sausages.
Nice. You know, bulge out here. I don't think I can use it because of my GoPro. I need to be able to attach it somewhere. So this is not a helmet I'm going to be able to take. All right, see you later. I'm on the way to pick up Danny in Las Piñas from Parañaque, Sucat Parañaque. So this is to BF Resort, so it's about, I don't know, I guess it's going to be about 20 minutes. Sunday traffic. Just went to the Makina Motoshow in SMX. It was pretty cool actually. Gaki Moto was there. I saw J-Mac. They were giving away t-shirts. And it was a really good day. I mean, the only downside is that I tried to buy a helmet at one of the outlets or one of the, I don't know what you say, retailers that were there, and they told me that they accepted credit cards. So, well, I asked if they accepted credit card, and then I went to pay, and I mean, I was going to use my American Express, and then they said no, they take Visa or MasterCard. So I got my Visa card out, and then they had a look at it, and they basically said no, they only take local Visa cards. I mean, I asked why, and they seemed to like struggle to explain, and they didn't really know what to say. That's the impression they gave off. And then they basically said, oh, they only take local cards. So I mean, I'm not going to name the retailer, but you know, you just would have thought, I mean, a customer wants to buy a helmet, that they'd actually, you know, take the time to explain why and apologize, and maybe say where they're based. I mean, there was just like, oh no, we don't take this, goodbye. Well, not even a goodbye, oh, just we don't take this. I mean, I had to say goodbye. It was just ridiculous. Makina actually told, I went on stage with Makina, and there was this French company there that had this vest, this inflatable vest that would instantly inflate, you know, when you come off your bike. It attaches to, like, you know, under your saddle or something, and you know, it would instantly inflate. And he ended up inflating it and hitting me with a baseball bat in my back, and it was amazing. I mean, I didn't feel anything at all. The BMW Motorrad Philippines was there, KTM was there, Yamaha was there, like I said, Gakimoto, J-Mac was there. So it's good to see, I mean, the motorbike scene, and just how amazing these tools are online. I mean, it's a long time ago when missed that acceleration. Yeah, so you know, things like that never existed, where, you know, you could actually make an influence from your own GoPro or your iPhone. And Day 3 with my XSR 900, and as you can see, you just leave everyone in the dust. It's so fun. I mean, it's so powerful. It's got the same engine as the MT-09, and I've got it in standard mode and traction control too. It needs that restraint. I mean, if this didn't have traction control, you'd just be pulling wheelies endlessly. So, nighttime vlog, same day. This is March 20th. Still getting used to the filtering situation in Manila. I used to be so much better at this. Oh, it actually worked out for me. So, you know, you squeeze through spots like that. And spots like this. And I've got a helmet hanging on my back, so just sort of worried about hitting a car with it. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, I'd go through that if I didn't have a helmet hanging on the side of me. I mean, it's quite, well, you know how big helmets are, and I mean, I could feel it just clinging onto the side of me. I mean, there's no way I could have brought this in a regular backpack. So hopefully I haven't got past Evacom yet. I mean, God, have I gone past? I think I have. Oh no, I don't think I have. You can see a McDonald's there, and I know that's kind of near it. And I love this, how you can just cut right to the front of the line, you know, right to the front. Got to be careful of the pothole situation. The smell of barbecue and open sewage. Don't dare to accelerate like crazy here. I mean, the roads are just carpet bombed. People just pull out in front of you. So you got to really be on your best behavior and always expect the worst. In a way, it's safer because everyone's checking constantly what everyone else is doing. Back in the UK, it's just green is green, and you know, that's probably why so many accidents are at high speed there. So, I mean, if anyone knows a good helmet that fits very easily with the GoPro mounted on the chin, just let me know, because you get all sorts of things on the front, don't you, where you have like a vent where it's kind of an odd shape and it's not an even surface to stick to. So just let me know. I was looking at an Origin, a green, matte green one. I liked it because it had an army colour, but I mean, if the retailer would have told me, hey, you know, don't accept this card, but we're based in this place, so let me know. I mean, they didn't even try to explain or calm me down or anything. Like, don't know what this guy's doing. You just got to prepared. You just got to be prepared for someone to just do a spontaneous U-turn. I mean, these trikes are notorious for that kind of thing. If I was on the motorway, I'd be wearing, you know, protective jacket and pants. And I saw some really nice Kevlar jeans today, which were unfortunately 11,000 pesos. They were quite light as well, in comparison to all of the Kevlar jeans I've seen. So this is going towards Las Piñas, if not Las Piñas already, I don't know. Southville International is coming up on my left. Southville International High School. These guys, I mean, people here when they're in traffic, they just sort of, it's like taxiing a plane. Like, yes, I'm, you know, clearance for runway 2. Can I taxi my car into the main road? It's just ridiculous. Just pull out. If you're gonna pull out, go. Just go. You don't need to ask for ground control and inspect the surface in front of you, because that's how slow it is. I mean, it's almost like they're doing that. This is my first night vlog, and I hope the GoPro really does a good job in low light. I mean, obviously it's not going to be good as a lot of SLR cameras out there. I mean, I expect it to be slightly grainy, but not as much as an iPhone. It was nice to meet Makina in person. He said he was going to the Isle of Man in June, and obviously for no other reason than to experience the TT racing. I mean, TT in the Philippines means something else here. Anyone care to comment below what that might mean in the Philippines? TT racing. Let's race. Let's race. Let's do some TT racing. Alright, so you go past the 7-Eleven and it's the first left. I'm probably just gonna pull over and call her. I had a friend that lived here once. Just pull over here. Just give her a call. Put it in neutral. Mountain Dew. Don't want to show my passcode to everyone. Okay, let's see. Where, oh where? Okay, well I'm just going to take the first right. Gemma Cruz Street. Oh, little kitten! Following its mom. No idea. Straight. Selamat. So he basically told me that it's on the other side, because Gemma Cruz, I mean, it's my fault, I don't even know my left and right. So it's just across here. Wow, those headlights are blinding. You turn left. Oh, I got it all on video. Kuya, Gemma Cruz, Gemma Cruz ba to? Sige, thank you. Sweet little basketball net there. Little doggies. Okay. Ah, I can see her location on my iPhone. Why didn't I think of that? Someone waving at me. I don't know if they're supposed to. Oh, this is behind me.